pretty sure the camera's crooked. Let me try to fix that. Alright, here's the thing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. It is 3 in the morning, and if you're wondering why I'm not sleeping, I don't have the answer to that. So I wanted to film a room tour because a few people asked me on TikTok, and I was like, that's a really great idea because I finally cleaned my room. And when I say like clean my room, I mean like I gave a lot of things away, like a lot. So I have one grandma who like sells a lot of my things, and then I have the other grandma who but sends everything to DR, to people who need, because I do have like a lot of things that I just don't use, like with tags or that was worn maybe like 1 or 2 times. I have jewelry, what else, I don't know, like shoes. I'm like trying to see what else I gave up. I gave up a lot of things. But yeah, also that's why I'm talking a little quiet as much as I can, because I have a loud ass mouth and everybody is sleeping. I actually do have a shirt on if anybody was wondering. This is very much not 3 a.m. attire, so I put a robe on. So anyway, if you guys are new here, then click the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. Alright, so I'm chatting. If you guys are interested in seeing my room, then keep watching. Alrighty, so when you walk in my room, we're not gonna focus too much on these areas because I don't know. Oh, especially this. This is a hella freaking old, and this is also not a set. I'm gonna sand it down and repaint it because I'm just like a hot ass mess. Okay, so over here I have a lot of my jewelry. I do have it like coordinated, so you see all the gold on this side, and then when you turn it, you have all the silver on this side, which, as you can see, I don't have that much gold jewelry. So I mainly wear the jewelry that is up here. Now, actually, I just took these off. I'm going to add that. So I have my gold jewelry that I always wear. I also have my Monet chain that I put there, but I'm wearing it at the moment. I have my Kiara necklace there, my 2 Michael Kors watches, my K earrings, a couple more things over there. And then I have the silver section. So we have a few things there. I have my elephant, my angel, my little December, that her little crown is broken, but it has my birthstone. Also my elephant here. I'm obsessed with elephants. And then me and my stepfather, the cutest. I love this picture. Over here I have my cousin Corey, my Tita Maria, and my Uncle Ivan, and the cross since they passed away. I'm not gonna get emotional. Moving on, I have this right here that I actually bought for my makeup, but to be honest, this is like for lipsticks and stuff, so I had to put it over here, not in my makeup section. So this is just something that I usually grab like a quick access to. So I have like my hand sanitizer, my lip gloss that I always use, my lotion that I always use, and then this spray is amazing. It's eucalyptus and menthol, and it honestly helps with my anxiety. Over here, ew, that noise is like a little excessive. I have a little bit more jewelry, and then like, I don't know, like extra random stuff. So I have like a lot of my eye glues, and this, if you don't floss every day, then you need to get checked out. Another hand sanitizer, and then my blue light glasses. I have a humidifier here that I haven't been using. I don't know why, because I did buy it and I do need it. And then back there I have like everything here eventually is going to be changed, but I just don't have a spot for it right now. I have 2 hookahs and like 3 different flavors back there. And then this section is all things to give away. So that's why it's like when you walk in, you don't see it. And the reason why it's like over here is because my grandmother hasn't picked it up yet. Like, I'm literally giving all this away. Besides this, these are the Yeezys I actually sold to my cousin because they didn't fit me. So this is not part of my room. Over here, if you guys seen my old room tour, it is the exact same. There's like a couple new heels here. These are so pretty, like these Steve Madden ones, beautiful with the matching bag behind. I don't know why it's like all lopsided like that. And then I have like that stupid black hat that I do not want there. Those white shoes, they do not belong there. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of a lot of heels that are up there because I do not wear them at all. I tried to sell them, but I don't think, apparently what people are not a size 6, or they just don't like these heels. Moving on, I have my little side table over here, which also, so clearly I don't know how to keep things nice. I've been that way since I was young. It's actually really not cute. I have my godson here. I have this ashtray that I made, my little fake plant, and this candle that smells amazing. It's lavender, jasmine, and coconut. It's so good. I got it from Rite Aid. And then this is just like the ashtray that I made. So pretty. Okay, so now for my bed. This bed is from IKEA, and sorry the ring light is on because it was so dark in my room, because obviously I'm filming at like 3 in the morning. This right here is so freaking comfortable. It is UGG, and I do have UGG pillowcases that are so warm and like that comfy UGG feeling. I'm obsessed. I have my cowboy bear, which you guys know I'm a Cowboys fan, and die hard, like always gonna be a Cowboys fan. So the black pillows I have are like this velvet material from Shein, because the one that I had from before was very uncomfortable. So I definitely purchased that from Shein for probably like $6, and it was so worth it. This right here is also, I love anything with this material. Like when it does that, it doesn't look the best, but it definitely feels the best. Do I have any texts? Nope, nobody loves me. Okay, now for that area over there, if you do remember my room before, I had this table over there, and now it's over here. So these wires gotta go. I actually want to add more of these things. I want to make like another shape, but I love that. My uncle got me that last year for Christmas, and I finally put it up. But this area right here is my printer, and then under I have everything that I do for the bag. So I have like all the wrapping paper, the boxes, I have a few purses there. And then on the side, I keep the purses here. It looks a little messy, but they are in perfect condition. This is just like the spot that I can put them in for now. What else is up here? So I have my tripods, and then I have this fridge that my friend just got me for Christmas. It's not gonna stay here, but it definitely is there for now because I don't have a specific spot. This right here is a tray that I made, like one of my first trays, so it's not the best looking tray, but I still think it's super cute. I'm gonna leave that here with my fake plant that obviously I love, since I have like 2 or 3 of them. And then on the side of the table, I do have my laundry bag. Okay, so over here I have the same setup as I think I showed you guys in my last room tour. I still want to make a vision board here, so I'm actually going to do that in the next week or 2. I think that's something that I really need to do, and I would enjoy it. So I have like this old picture that I don't even like. I was hella blonde there. Don't even know why that's up there. I have this picture that wasn't there before. It's me and my mom, and it was like a family member's baby shower, and it was so freaking cute. They had like this booth there, so we took a lot of pictures. That's that. My cousin made me this. It's still there. And then the same pictures over there. So that's me and my brother and me and my mom. I have another elephant that I don't think I had before, but my mom purchased this for me from Home Goods. I have my Gucci bag, my fake other plant, and my letter K. I don't want this here, but I also, because it looks like much better when it's not there, but it's there for now because that's another thing that I just do not have a spot for at the moment. It is a mirror. So it's one of those mirrors that do light up. I don't know, can you see it? It's really dirty, not cute. Gotta clean that, but yeah. And right here is where my personal bags are. None of them are for sale. So this first drawer is like everything that has to do with like eyelashes and like a kit and everything to learn. So stay tuned for that. So these 2 drawers are actually like everything that has to do with my bag business. So all the tools for the logo that I use to do that, to pop the holes in the actual straps, and a lot of other things. Over here is everything that has to do with the resin that I was making throughout the whole entire summer. So I have the resin products in here. I have glitter and all different types of paint. So that's how I made like all my ashtrays and everything. And then over here is paper for my printer, and then also the other type of paper that's like when I ship things out. And I forgot, oh, this is from actually my cousin Madison's line, like her beauty line. It was from her packaging, but I didn't want to throw it out because I thought it was so freaking pretty. Now over here is my lovely couch that I legit never used to sit on because it was filled with so many freaking clothes. I don't like that. That's like that. But I'm just so happy that I'm able to like lay on it and sit on it. It's just so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, so over here you guys are probably wondering like what the heck is this machine and why is it so big and why is it taking up so much space in your room? If you guys don't know, I'm actually, let me put this over here so you guys can see better. So this is actually a high frequency machine, and if you guys don't know and you're new to my channel, I will be an esthetician licensed in just a few months. Right now I do have my temporary license, which I haven't announced that yet. So if you guys actually made it this far in the video and you now know that I have my temporary license as an esthetician, then comment down below and congratulate me, because your girl has not let anybody know. This is a high frequency machine, so this is the steamer. It also comes with that. And then I also have a magnifying lamp. So not only is it a high frequency machine, but it also has the lamp and the steamer for facials. We have the different type of electrodes right here. Really cool. So if you guys want to know like what this actually means, then I'll make like a separate video. But that's that machine that I have for when I do start taking clients. So I'm really excited about that. So hopefully I can find a spot where I'm able to take my clients, because obviously I'm not going to be doing it in my room. That's why the machine is just sitting here, because I wanted to practice. I could practice on my mom and a couple of like family and friends, but not like open to the public, because my father would not want random people in my house. But moving on, so up here we have like all my makeup. Let me move the ring light a little bit closer so you guys can have like a better look, and everything in here I'm about to show you. So up here I have, oh let me not cover the light, I have my lotions. This is Boss Bunny Body Oil, which I'm obsessed with. My cousin Madison makes that. I have my perfumes. I have my other like aesthetics product, and I don't know if you guys can see, but like my brushes. This is everything that I use like every day, you know, so that's why it's all up here. And then everything else will be in the drawers. This right here is like miscellaneous things, so I do use this every day. This is my SPF, my deodorant I use every day. I do have this makeup remover. I have an extra beauty blender, my vitamins, what else, I have erasers and stuff like that. Then this drawer I have like all my face products. So these are also vitamins, but these are like all my sheet mask. I have my jade roller. This right here, jade. This is the only thing that's like not for my face, but it is a cute little razor type thing, carry on. This is also for my face, and like mask and stuff like that. So that drawer. So this drawer on the left side is all my lipsticks, and then we have like other random stuff. So like my nails. This is like the tape to hold the clothes to your body. I think I have 2 of them. And it's just stuff like that. Next, this drawer over here are all my palettes. So a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes, and then this will be like my blush palette, which I'm so sad they do not make this anymore, and I'm literally hitting pan. Everything is eyeshadow palettes besides like these 3 things right here. This is like for my eyebrows, contour, which this is hella old, and then like I said, this one, which I'm obsessed with. I'm just so sad they don't have it anymore. Now the last drawer is all my hair products. So we have like everything for my hair. This is my brush, my comb. This is for my edges. I also have an edge brush somewhere in there, right there. I have like 2 right there, and then all my bobby pins are in here, which if you guys know, then you know. Like when it comes to bobby pins and socks, where do they go? Where are they? Also, we have the infamous mirror, which I do want to paint black because it's on a white wall, and like I wanted to match this, so I definitely want to paint the outside of this mirror black. Another thing I forgot to mention, but my brother did buy me these. I forgot to say it in my freaking Christmas video, but he purchased these for me, and everybody told me it was time to get rid of the purple ones that I had. I like ran them out. I wore them every day, all day, and it was time for a new pair. So he got me these, and they're so freaking cute. Okay, so this video is now over. If you guys did enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.